what about our population that does not get mammograms? Is that a service that's offered? Because that's something that's often ignored by many women, be they insured or not. And an underserved population tends to ignore mammograms even more, and so the diagnosis of breast cancer can be delayed in that population. How do we manage breast cancer?
At the Harvest Clinic, or the Carolina Family, what we do is that we do rigorous evaluation of our own performance to make sure that every patient at a certain age group gets a mammogram at an appropriate interval. So it might be every other year up to age of 50 and every year after that. And we've got 3 or 4 different ways to do that. The University of North Carolina at Rex Hospital sends a bus down, and they will take our uninsured patients and give them mammograms. So once a month, the Rex bus will show up at these different sites, and the patients line up and get their mammograms. Of course, Medicare and Medicaid do reimburse for mammograms, so they can get their mammograms either at Nash or at Wilson. And finally, Wilson Community, which I want to take my hat off to them, they have a community program that provides free mammogram service for it's a limited number, but it's a big number. And we can basically, for patients who are from Wilson County, who are unable to pay for their mammograms, they have a fund that funds mammograms for them. So between all of that, we usually can get mammogram services for all our patients.
Do each of the locations cover all the bases, or might somebody like from Freedom, is it Freedom Hill, have to go to Elm City to get some specialty covered?
No, they're all
basics everywhere. Great.
They're all the same. All the same. I go to all 3 clinics. Well, actually, I don't go to Freedom Hill anymore, but so I guess, but there is a doctor there that does some of what I do, and then she sends me what she doesn't feel comfortable doing. But yeah, all 3 clinics are pretty much the same. Now, the Ryan White program is predominantly in Wilson, but it does have a Freedom Hill and a Harvest appendage.